Hi everybody, what's up? It's Tia. Welcome back to the channel. I am super excited for today's video. We are going to be talking about something very, very interesting. It's different, honestly, than anything I've heard of before, but you know what? I figured let's just dive in and let's try it. Today we are going to be talking all about the Mandela effect. I watched a movie with my family.
Side note, I've cut down drastically on the amount of television and movies I watch.
And I'm so glad that I did. That's the point. One of the movies that I did watch recently was this one. I found it very intriguing. My little notes. Essentially, it's when groups of people remember things differently than how they actually are. The way that this website describes it is that the Mandela effect is a phenomenon that makes us question even the most mundane memories from the past. It's basically remembering something that doesn't match with historical records. So people think of this as proof that we're living in alternate realities. So basically it's anything where you remember things as different than they actually are in the world. I'm pretty sure after reading this that I'm experiencing the effects. The name stems from Nelson Mandela's death. So he died in 2013. Except a lot of people remember him dying in prison in the 80s. This is how the phenomenon coined its name. I would go over some of the examples that are listed online. You guys, is not real. I've literally called Jif peanut butter Jiffy. They say that they think it might be because people are combining it with like Skippy and Jiffy, but I swear I really do remember it as Jiffy. The Berenstain Bears phenomenon, whether it's a E or an A, that was talked about in the Mandela Effect movie. What did I think? When I say Berenstain, I say like "een," like it's an E. So I thought it was an E as well. No. They say Curious George never had a tail, which I don't think is true. I'm pretty sure I had a stuffed animal as a kid that had a tail and it was Curious George. So that is very confusing to me. Febreze, they're saying, only has one E. Almost positive that it does have two E's. Also did not know that there was an A in Oscar Mayer. That's another thing. I say Oscar Mayer, like an E. So that's super weird. Skechers definitely has a T. Skechers, like T-chers. There was always a T in it when I wore them growing up. That is quite bizarre. Did not know Fruit Loops was spelled with two O's. Very strange. Definitely thought Pikachu's tail was black. Definitely thought there was a hyphen in Kit Kat. Cheez-Its totally have a Z on the end. Double stuffed Oreos, the only reason I know that it's stuff with one F is because it was just trending on TikTok. I did think it was weird because I thought it was two F's. Life is like a box of chocolates. No! They're telling me that it says life was like a box of chocolates.
My mom always said life was like a box of chocolate.
They're telling me that it was not, actually. Mirror, mirror on the wall.
Magic mirror.
Oh. This one is freaking trippy. My brother and I too even used to joke like, Luke, I am your father. Saying all he ever said was, I am your father.
He told me you killed me. I am your father.
I literally have chills. In the movie with Hannibal Lecter, he never said, hello Clarice. Instead, he said, good morning. That's a thing! How is that not real? That's so weird. Some Americans remember thinking that there was more than 50 states. I don't fall into that category, fortunately. I think I would feel like my whole life was a lie. They're saying that this guy never played a genie, but I do feel like I've seen his face like as a genie, and I don't know where else I would be getting that feeling from. Weird. Now I feel like I'm losing it. What? They said Patrick Swayze died of cancer, but some people remember him recovering. Did not even know he was dead to begin with. This is creepy. In this article it talks about how we often tell ourselves you can't trust your memories. They say psychologically speaking, internalizing that message can be tremendously destabilizing. Yeah, if you think about it. You don't have your memories. What else do you have? That's how you determine who you are. Also makes me wonder if we can't trust our memories, how much power do we have in changing them? What if you wanted to wake up and make yourself think that you were someone completely different than who you are? Or if you used it to your benefit and convince yourself you were ultra successful? And then where's the line though between that and insanity? very interesting for me to think about. It kind of is one of those things that's like a little bit like trippy. So anyways, you guys, I saw that movie and then I started thinking about it and I found it very interesting and I looked it up a little bit online. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe if you liked it to see my next videos, and I will see you next time. Bye!